Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the slow cooker versus pressure cooker. Watch until the end to know which is the better choice. So the main difference between the slow and pressure cooker is the time that it takes to cook the food. The slow cooker cooks the food slowly, while the pressure cooker cooks the food fast by using high pressure to raise the boiling point of water. For example, a slow cooker may take 4 to 8 hours to cook a 2 to 3 pound roast, while a pressure cooker can cook the same roast in 45 to 60 minutes. So in this category, the pressure cooker carries the day for being faster. Water requirement. A slow cooker requires a lot of time, and hence needs a lot of water to ensure that the food does not dry out and burn. On the other hand, pressure cooker requires less water because it is sealed and has minimal water loss through evaporation. In this regard, a pressure cooker is better because it's economical with water and prevents food from drying out quickly. Flavor. The slow cooker develops rich and deep flavors due to the slow cooking. Food flavors are maintained and enhanced. The pressure cooker is sealed and preserves the food's natural flavors. However, the short time within which the food cooks is not enough to enhance the flavors. If you want food with more enhanced flavors, choose the slow cooker. Convenience. Slow cookers are inconvenient, especially when you have not planned your cooking well. You have to start cooking early in the day. On the other hand, pressure cookers are convenient because they don't require a lot of advanced planning. Choose a pressure cooker if you desire convenience, and not to be forced to make early cooking plans. Energy consumption. Slow cookers consume less energy because food can cook for a long time with low heat. On the other hand, a pressure cooker requires more energy, especially to start boiling. So, to conserve energy, use slow cookers. Safety. Slow cookers are safer because they do not produce sudden high-pressure steam. Pressure cookers pose a significant risk due to the high pressure and hot steam. Slow cookers are safer, and therefore better than pressure cookers. Comparison table. From the table, you'll notice that the pressure cookers cook food quickly, require less water, and are more convenient due to the short time needed to prepare and cook meals. However, they do not enhance the flavor, they use more energy, and pose higher burn risks. Conversely, slow cookers enhance the taste of food, use less energy, and have low burn risks. However, they require more water and are less convenient and take longer to cook food. Similarities. Both slow cookers and pressure cookers are designed to be used for hands-off cooking. Once you set them on the heat source, you can continue doing other things. Additionally, they can be used to prepare a wide range of meals, including stews, soups, and roasts. Verdict. The pressure cookers and the slow cookers are equally good because while pressure cookers cook food quickly, requires less water, and are more convenient due to the short time needed to prepare and cook meals. Slow cookers enhance the taste of food, use less energy, and have low burn risk. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons that you'd like to see next from us. Thanks for watching.